This car has a flat tire, and we're fixing it fast and cheap using one of those tire repair kits from Harbor Freight. Let's get started. First, we need to find where it's leaking. The preferred method for finding a leak is spraying soapy water over the tire. But I'm at a remote location today and I didn't bring soap or a spray bottle. What I'm using is the submersion method, and it works just as well. A line of bubbles will rise up from where it's leaking. Here it is, a nail. It's this silvery nub here. That's what punctured the tire. I'm using a pair of needle nose pliers to extract the nail. Notice how it comes out at a slight angle. This angle here. The tools I'll be using are part of this tire repair kit, which I bought from Harbor Freight for about $5. The kit comes with this knife, a reamer, a hook, five plugs, and a tube of rubber cement. I'm using the ream tool first, twisting it in the hole, moving it up and down. Basically, the ream tool cleans the puncture. Try to take the natural path that the ream tool wants to take instead of ramming the tool in and out. Next, take one of the tire plugs from the package. They're sticky, so you might want to wear rubber gloves. Then insert the plug into the hook tool. You center the plug in the hole. Then smear the plug with cement. It takes a good amount of pressure to push the tool down into the puncture. At the same time, you want to follow the natural path that you made with the reamer. You don't want to push the plug all the way through. You want a small amount protruding, about an inch. At this step, you cut away the excess with the knife that came with the kit. After you fill the tire up with air, check the pressure sometime later to make sure it's still holding air. And if everything is okay, install it on the vehicle and you're finished.